Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to get an IP address from email. So let's go to the Gmail first. Now choose the email you want to see the IP address, like this monster, this one. You have to click on three dot and you will find here show original. Click on this and then you can see in SRF section you'll find the IP address here. Now if you want to see the IP address where it located, you can copy and write here IP lookup. Click on the first link. Now you can paste it here. Now click on get IP address. Now you can see the whole location and the service provider name. Okay, country name, state name, city name. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.